Right, so today I'll be showing you how to customize gestures on the Apple Watch SE3. Now, this watch comes with predefined gestures. So if you go to the main menu and then tap on settings and then scroll down to gestures, you should see that you can turn gestures on or off. And then you have three gestures: the double tap gesture, the wrist flick gesture, and the cover to mute gesture. So basically, the double tap gesture is basically double tapping your finger like this while wearing the Apple Watch. So what does that do? So by default, you can see if you tap on this, you can see it's been set to play and pause the media that you're currently playing. Now you can choose to change that to skip so that you can skip to the next track, or you can go and look at things like Smart Stack and choose what it does. You can also uh, choose to enable or disable it when using Vision Pro. So basically that's how to customize the gestures. Now you can go back and go to the next gesture, like the wrist flick. So what does the wrist flick gesture do? So the wrist flick gesture, you cannot change what it does. You can only turn it on or off. Same goes to the cover to mute gesture. You can only turn it on or off. So it's a very limited customization options. So that's basically how you can do that. Thanks for watching and good luck.